What is Python tuple? Yeah, also discuss the list, and I'm going to tell about Python tuple. A tuple is another sequence data type that is similar to the list. Tuple is consists of the number of values separate by the common. Unlike list, however, the tuples are the enclosed within the parentheses. The main difference between list and tuple is list are the enclosed in the brackets and the elements in size can be changed, while tuple are included in the parentheses and cannot be updated. Tuple can be thought of the read-only list. For the example, if we are, if I'm going to create a tuple, it means this is a final tuple and we are not add on any element and update the list. After creating tuple, we are not done any operations on that list then on that tuples, and there is a tuple A B C D 7x. The types of tuples 23 and John. And print tuple, the complete tuple. Print tuple 0. Print the first element of the tuple. Print tuples 1 to 3. Print is starting from second until the third element. Print tuple 2. Print the element starting from third element. Print the element starting from the third element. Print the text to tuple 2 times and print the tuples. Print type, print the constituent tuple. Procedure of this following result. Print 0 and ABCD 23 and 0 3. Following codes invalid with tuple because we attempt to update the tuple, which is not allowed. Similar case is possible with this list. In tuple, you only read the value of elements. Python dictionary are kind of the hash table type, and they work like a associated array or hash point, and the pair of consists the key values pair. Dictionary can be almost Python type, and but usually number of string values. On the other hand, can be any attributary Python object. Dictionary are enclosed by the curly braces. And value can be assigned and accessed using the square braces, for example. And this is 1, this is 2. नेम जॉन, नेम क्या आपका जॉन है, कोड क्या आपका 64 है, डिपार्टमेंट क्या आपका सेल्स है. तो इफ़ यू वांट टू क्रिएट दिस टाइप ऑफ एलिमेंट एंड list, yeah, you need to the key and key values and you need to the list of like that. So you are using, going to using the dictionary. Dictionary is the you have two values, key and key pair form. We have no concept of order among the elements, and it is incorrect to say that the elements are out of order. They are simply unordered. Sometimes you may need to perform the conversion between the built-in type and the convert between type. You simply use the type name as the functions. There are the several built-in functions perform the conversion from one data type to another, and this function return a few objects representing the converting values. Integer x base and convert the x to an integer, and the specific the base if x is a string. Float x, convert the x in floating point number, and complex a real imaginary number, create a complex number. A string is the convert the object s to string represented. Further convert the x in expression string. Evaluation, evaluate a string of return an object. Tuple, convert as a tuple. List, convert as a list. Set, convert as a set. Descent, convert dictionary and must say sequence of key value tuple. Fortune set, convert the fortune set. Character, convert the character. Convert the integer Unicode character. Converting single character it is integer value. Convert the integer to hexadecimal. And convert integer to octal. Basic operators. Tuple क्या होता है देखते हैं. The tuple is a sequence of immutable Python object. Tuple are sequence just like a list. The main difference between tuple and list is that tuple cannot be changed. Unlike list, tuple use parentheses, where list square brackets. Creating a tuple is simple. Is putting a different common separate values. Optionally, you can put this comma separate values between the values. Tuple 1, tuple 2, tuple 3. Tuple 1 says the string and 17, tuple 2 is 26. Then tuple 0, tuple 0, and tuple 1 to 5, 25. And you get an output like physics 7, 2, 3, 4, 5. And updating the tuple is immutable, which means you cannot update or change the value of tuple element. Is able to take a portion of that existing tuples to create a new tuple as the following example. If you want to add on the two tuples or update the two tuples using that updating tuple. Updating the tuple. When we want to going to update the tuple by using the 2 1 and 2, and after that we merge the tuple 3. Delete tuple. Removing the individual tuple element is not possible. There is of course nothing wrong with putting the together the tuple, but the undesired element is discarded. So when we are using the del, it means we just want to delete that element. There is a tub physics history and 1970 printed up del tub. In the after deleting tub, print tub, the product has the following result. एरर आ रहा है बिकॉज जो मैं डिलीट करूँ टपल वो इस नाम का टपल है ही नहीं, ठीक है ना, ठीक है, टप नाम का कोई एलिमेंट टाइप टपल में है ही नहीं, इसलिए यहाँ पे एरर आ रहा है. Basic tuple operations like that. If I am going to find out the length of the element in tuple, I am going to use length function. One, two, three. If I using the star functions before the element, print 4 times height, because we are using the star element, star symbol before the element. There is a plus operator. Basically, plus means in mathematical we are adding the two elements, but in this tuple we are adding the two tuples using the plus symbol, yeah, plus operator. Three in 1 to 3 means we just find out the value 3 is in the tuple or not. There is a list of x, y, z, and there is a list of a, b, c, d, d, f, and I am using the g. हम लिखे g, लिखे यहाँ पे लिखे g in list or not. Mean value is check true and false. If g is there, value is true. If this is not there, value is false. It's called membership operator. There is a T2 and T1. If I want to print the only Python in this list, just put the T2 because T2 is the index number of that element. Next is T1 1 colon. It means I want to print the value of index number 1 and 2. There is delimiter. No including delimiter is empty in any set of multiple objects. The common separate written without the identifying symbols. And brackets for the rest of pages of tuple etc default to tuple and indicate the short example. The tuple 1 tuple 2 is no longer able to in Python 3. So length of tuple, total length of tuple, max tuple, minimum tuple and tuple square. Tuple length example लिखते हैं इसका. If you want to length of the tuple, then using the length functions, your length method for that tuple, return value the method return the number of element in the tuple if you're using the length, and is using the length function tuple 1 tuple 2 1 2 3 xyz in the length 4 5 6 7. Print the first tuple length and length of tuple 1 and tuple 2. The first tuple length is 3 and second tuple length is 2 because there is a 2 element in tuple 1 and there is a 3 element in tuple, sorry, there is a 3 element in tuple 1 and there is a 2 element in tuple 2. So we are get a output like so 3 and 2. And what about the max method? The max method is basically find out the element is maximum element in the that particular list. And the max is some bio tuple 1 tuple 2. Print the max value is tuple 1. The max value tuple is bio and max value of list number 2 is 700. Max means if we are using the string, it means we are just calculating the number of the string. If the a is string index number 1 to 26 index is there of algebraic in string and string format, so we are using the prefix because prefix having the large string number bhy. Bio is not longer than physics. CH is also not longer than physics, so bio is physics is answer. Min function, the min method return the element from the tuple with the minimum value is bio, because bio having the minimum value. B is 2. Descriptions. This is the tuple that convert the into tuple. This is tuple to be converted to into tuple. List 1 math, chemistry, physics, bio. Tuple 1 list. Print tuple element tuple 1 math, physics, chemistry, bio. The next topic is dysentery. Each key is separate from the value of colon, and the item are separated by the commas, and the whole thing includes the curly braces and empty dysentery without any item, written with the just two curly braces like this. Key are unique within a dysentery while the value may not be, and the value of a dysentery can be of any type of, but the key must be an immutable data type such as the string number and tuple. Accessing value in dysentery, to access dysentery element, you can use the familiar square bracket along with the key to obtain the values. Following the simple example. Name, print this age and district age. When the above code is executed, it will produce the following result. Name is Zara, district age is 7. Name Zara is 7 class first. Alice and Alice. District is Zara. Updating dysentery, you can update dysentery by adding the new entry of key value pair, modifying existing entry, and updating the existing entry. This is a simple example of doing below. DBA school is a new entry. From district age and district age, print school and district school. When the code is executed, produce the following. District age is 8. School is LTPS, because age is key. Age is key and school is also key, and value this age is 8 and value school is previous school. Delete dysentery element. You can either remove the individual dysentery element or clear the entire content of the dysentery. You can also delete the entire dysentery as single operator. Single operations. To explicitly remove an entire dysentery, just do the statement following the simple example. Properties of dysentery key. Dysentery value have no restrictions. They can be arbitrary Python object and either be a standard object or user defined object. However, the same is not true for the key. There are two important points remember about dysentery key. First is more than one entry per key is not allowed. That means no duplicate key is allowed. When duplicate key are encountered during this assignment, the last assignment win. For the example, name Zara is 7, name मनी या मनी को भी लिखना है. और जब प्रिंट कराओगे ना नेम, दोनों नेम प्रिंट कराओगे तो आपका जो लास्ट वैल्यूज़ होगी वही प्रिंट होके आएगी. इसलिए वी आर नॉट यूजिंग डुप्लीकेट की इन पाइथन बिकॉज वी हैव गेट अ output but not a desirable output get it. So we are using the only only one means unique key using in dysentery. Key must be immutable, means not updating and not changing. This means you can use a string, number and tuple as a secondary key, but something like the key is not allowed. Following is a simple example. Name Zara is 7. Print receipt name, district name. When the above code is executed, the procedure following result. Built in descending function method. The description of the method of length given as the total length of the sundry, and this would be equal to the number of items in the sundry sentence. Parameter sundry is the whose length of need to be calculated. Return values. Print length percentage of length than 3. There is 3 because there is 3 element in list. I think you see that there is a 6 element because there is 6 but there is 3 key and 3 values. So we just count the values of element and not count the key of element. So the pair is 1 and pair is 2 and pair is 3. We are calculating the pair element in this form. The method type is return the type of pass variable. It is pass variable is descending, that it would be return the descending type. And now I am going to date and time in Python. A Python program can handle the date and time in several ways. Converting between format of data format is common feature of the computer. Python and bin time and calendar module have to track data. What is the trick? The time interval of floating point number is unit of seconds, and particular instance of the time are they expressed in the second of since 12 a.m. January 1, 1970. Epoch. There is a popular item time module available in Python, which is provide the function of working with time and converting between the representing of functions time function and return the current system time trick the 12 a.m. January 1. Import the time. This is required to include the time module. We are just code of line is import the time. After that we take tricks is equal to time functions and print the number of tricks since 12 a.m. and January 1, 1970. Text. The following number of tricks were in January 25. Date arithmetic easy to do with the trick, and however date before the post cannot be represented in this form. Date in the form future also cannot be represented in this way. The cutoff the point is sometimes 2238 for the Unix and Windows. What is the time tuple? 4-digit year 2016, 4 month 1 to 12, day 1 to 31, hour 023, minutes 0 to 59, second 0 to 61, day of week 0 to 6, day of year 1 to 366. Daylight saving -101 -1 means library determined DST. Import the time, print the time of locations. We are live of locations. The time structure time of year Monday 15 hour 19 minute 29 second 20 time date 46 time site time year is 2016 time Monday 1 to 12 time 1 to 131 time hour 231 time minute 256 time second is 061 time day 06. Getting current time to translate the time of instead of second in science, post the floating point value into the time of tuple, pass through the floating point values functions that return a time of tuple with the valid 9 time. Getting format time. You can format any time as per your requirement, but it is simple method to get a time in a readable format. Getting calendar for a month, using the calendar.month 2064. Print the year is the calendar, print call. Let's go see the result. The time module, that is the popular time module, is available in Python. Provide the function for working with the time and converting the between representations. And here is the list of the available methods. Time also, time is in time clock, and time is the time. Time module method is the attribute of the time module, and the return of the offset of the local DST time zone. And second is UTC. At if one is defined, this is the negative if it is local. The method returned 26 characters string of the following month, Tuesday, February 9, and the following example show the use of the stime method.